Gentlemen, here is a truth most men never realize. The reason you feel older, softer, more tired, and less connected to the man you once were is not simply age. It is because your body has quietly lost its nighttime repair code. And no matter how much magnesium you take, without the two key vitamins delivered at the precise moment before sleep, your body simply cannot restore itself. Tonight I want to show you something completely different. A simple nightly ritual that takes less than a minute yet has the power to reset your energy, restore your circulation, and quietly rebuild the confidence you may feel slipping away. No medication, no stimulants, just your body responding the way it was designed to when it finally receives the right signals at the right time. I am Dr. Sam Carter, a urologist and men's health specialist who has spent more than 12 years helping men in their 50s, 60s, and 70s regain strength without depending on quick fixes. Your body is not failing. It is simply waiting for guidance. Two essential vitamins that act as the conductors of your internal repair system, activating the deep restoration you have been missing. They do more than help you sleep. These nutrients quietly rebuild what time has tried to wear down. They support deeper circulation, stronger cellular repair, and the natural drive that gives a man his sense of power and presence. Before you reach for another magnesium pill, stay with me, because by the end of this video you will understand exactly how to restore your body's nightly rhythm starting tonight. Now tell me, where are you watching from? After 50, every man begins to feel the shift. You do not bounce back the way you used to. Your mornings feel heavier, your strength responds slower, and the spark that once felt automatic begins to fade. Yet the truth is simple. Your body is not aging too fast. It is only missing the nutrients and timing required for nightly repair. Circulation is the first system to slow as men move past 50. Your blood vessels gradually become stiffer and less elastic, and the natural gas your arteries use to expand nitric oxide begins to drop sharply. This is why your body feels sluggish and why your performance in every area of life may no longer feel the same. At the same time, your mitochondria, the tiny engines inside every cell, begin to lose strength. They produce less energy for your heart, your brain, and your muscles, leaving you with a tired heaviness that you may mistake for simple aging. What you are feeling is not weakness. It is your cells calling out for fuel and not receiving it. Without the right support, they cannot power the man you used to be. Many men try to fix these problems by reaching for magnesium, hoping it will calm their nerves or improve their sleep. But magnesium is only a supporting actor. It cannot soften stiff arteries, reactivate deep repair genes, or restore the signals your body needs to rebuild itself during the night. The real leaders are the two vitamins most men overlook. And their power depends on timing. Your body runs on a precise circadian rhythm that controls how well nutrients work. Most people swallow their vitamins with morning coffee and waste half the benefit. The truth is that your strongest repair window opens at night between 10 and 2. This is when your hormones rebalance, your arteries relax, your brain clears waste, and your muscles begin deep restoration. When you take these vitamins in the morning, they must compete with cortisol, the stress hormone that naturally rises after you wake. But when you take them 30 to 60 minutes before bed, you give your body the exact signal it has been waiting for. It can shift from tension and digestion into full restoration mode. During the night, your body is not distracted. It is focused entirely on renewal. This is why nighttime is sacred for a man's health. It is the period when testosterone begins to regenerate, when nitric oxide production resets, and when inflammation finally cools. These two vitamins are not rare or expensive, yet when used together at night, they unlock a repair response most men have not felt in years. Vitamin number 2 is vitamin D3, one of the most misunderstood nutrients in a man's body. Most men think it only supports bones, but in truth it behaves like a powerful hormone that activates genes responsible for blood flow, hormone balance, and overall vitality. D3 also helps your body produce nitric oxide, the natural gas that keeps your arteries open, flexible, and responsive. After 50, your skin becomes less efficient at converting sunlight into usable D3, so your levels begin to drop even if you spend time outdoors. When D3 runs low, your arteries stiffen more easily, your energy fades, and your mood may also shift. Getting D3 right can create a full-body sense of readiness and strength. The practical approach is simple. Aim for about 5,000 IU of D3 at night, and always take it with a small amount of healthy fat so your body can absorb it completely. Vitamin number 1 is vitamin K2, the silent director that decides where calcium travels inside your body. If D3 tells your system what to do, K2 tells it exactly where to do it. When you absorb calcium because of D3, your body must choose whether that calcium strengthens your bones or begins to settle inside your arteries. Without adequate K2, calcium can slowly harden the vessel walls and restrict blood flow over time. K2 activates special proteins that escort calcium away from your arteries and into your bones where it is needed most. The impact is subtle but profound. You feel smoother circulation, more youthful flow, and a deep calming sense of internal health. For best results, aim for 90 to 180 micrograms of K2 in the Mk7 form each night, and always pair it with D3 for maximum effect. The true power of this routine appears when D3, K2 and magnesium glycinate work together. D3 boosts nitric oxide production so your arteries can open and deliver oxygen-rich blood throughout your body. K2 keeps those same arteries clean by guiding calcium away from the vessel walls and into your bones where it belongs. Magnesium glycinate then supports both vitamins by helping your muscles relax, easing your nervous system, and allowing your body to enter the deeper stages of sleep where nitric oxide rises naturally. This trio creates an environment in which your nightly repair cycle can finally work the way it was designed to. Instead of attempting restoration, your body completes it. You wake feeling steady, strong, and centered with a sense of quiet energy rather than a jittery morning rush. To get the full benefit, take the 3 nutrients together about 1 hour after dinner with a small amount of healthy fat. This timing aligns them with your body's peak window for deep internal repair. Your vitamins can only work when your nightly environment supports them, so think of your evening as the foundation for deep restoration. Begin with your dinner schedule. Try to finish eating 2 to 3 hours before bed so your body is not busy digesting food at midnight. When digestion is still active, your repair systems cannot fully switch on. About 1 hour before bed, take your D3, your K2 and your magnesium glycinate with a small source of healthy fat. This acts as the official signal to your body that it is time to restore. After taking them, dim the lights in your home and turn off all screens including your phone and television. Blue light disrupts melatonin and blocks the hormones that drive internal repair. Give yourself at least 30 minutes of digital quiet. Add 5 minutes of gentle movement such as slow stretching or calm breathing. This lowers cortisol, opens your blood vessels, and prepares your brain for deeper sleep. Then give your mind a moment to shift. Write down a single thing you feel grateful for. This simple act tells your nervous system it is safe to relax, allowing your repair hormones to rise naturally. When you combine this calm routine with your nighttime vitamins, you are not forcing your body to heal. You are giving it permission to return to its natural design. When you follow this routine consistently, you begin noticing changes sooner than you expect. Your sleep feels deeper, your mornings feel smoother, and there is a quiet strength returning to the way you move through the day. These improvements are not dramatic or loud. They are subtle signals that your biology is finally working the way it was meant to. Your body has never been broken. It has only been waiting for the right timing and the right nourishment to bring its natural rhythm back to life. So before you go to sleep tonight, place your vitamins on your bedside table as a small promise to yourself. This nightly ritual may seem simple, but it carries real power because it tells your body that you are ready to support it instead of rushing through the night on empty habits. I would like to know your experience as well. What is your current nighttime routine? Share it in the comments because your story may help another man who is struggling in silence. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs this message. Take care of your body, feed it wisely, rest deeply, and let nature do what it does best, which is repair you from the inside out.